Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tech reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below, based on my personal experience using the service. In this Globalgig eSIM review, I'll share my usage experience. If you're thinking about giving Globalgig a try, you'll find helpful links in the description below. Globalgig eSIM is a fantastic option for international travelers, digital nomads, or anyone needing dependable mobile data on the move. It offers a truly flexible solution, allowing you to utilize your device's built-in eSIM, eliminating the need for those pesky physical SIM cards. This is incredibly convenient for frequent travelers who want a cost-effective and hassle-free way to stay connected, avoiding roaming charges and the inconvenience of swapping SIM cards in every new country. One of Globalgig's most impressive features is its extensive global coverage. They offer a variety of data plans that work in over 100 countries, giving you the freedom to travel the world without the worry of changing carriers or purchasing local SIM cards. Whether your travels take you to Europe, Asia, or North America, Globalgig provides a seamless data experience. They offer both regional and global plans, catering to various travel styles. Their global plan covers a multitude of countries, making it a particularly appealing choice for travelers visiting multiple destinations on a single trip. Setting up Globalgig was quick and easy. After purchasing my plan, I received a QR code to scan, which activated the eSIM on my device within minutes. The Globalgig app simplifies plan management, allowing you to monitor data usage and top up your plan as needed. The app is user-friendly, with a clear and intuitive interface that makes managing your data incredibly straightforward. Regarding performance, Globalgig delivered solid speeds and reliable connectivity in major cities, ensuring smooth browsing, video calls, and streaming. While network performance might vary slightly in more rural locations, my overall experience with their coverage was positive. Their customer support team is readily available through the app, and I received prompt and helpful responses to my inquiries. In conclusion, Globalgig eSIM is an excellent option for travelers seeking easy, reliable, and flexible mobile data. Its extensive global coverage, simple setup process, and solid performance make it a strong contender for anyone looking for an affordable and hassle-free way to stay connected globally. If you travel frequently and want to avoid the inconvenience of physical SIM cards, Globalgig is definitely worth considering.